Hello, and welcome to the pet room. This is the rusty pet that I have been tinkering on, and as you can see, it does not come up with a cursor. And right next door, we have the pet that used to run the Bradley Brothers bulletin board system. And I don't know, there we go. Let me just see what I can do about getting this better situated. Excuse me. I'm just moving this machine back a little bit. There we go. Anyway, there is the inside of the BBBBS pet. The pet next door comes up, but doesn't. But I believe there is a reason. Ooh. And where is the little... Okay. Alright. There we go. I will take my note out. And I have this handy-dandy little light thing that I just got at Dollarama that should light things up. So, here is what I'm thinking, and this would be very handy because this other machine here that may or may not be working, I need to get another, I need to get a thing. Oh dear. I don't like doing this, but I will. There's another EEPROM in this machine, and its little door window thing is open. And, well, it has a thing on it, but the thing on it is really not on it well, so I'm going to put another. I just cut a disc label. It's actually, it's not a bad thing. And the sticker that should be on this is BPB number 3, whatever. Anyway, I'll see if I can just get that to sit on there for a second. And maybe while I'm doing this, because I did the same kind of thing in the BBS pet here, maybe I will. There's a very large sticker in here that's on this chip. It really doesn't need to be like that. Let me just set that back there. I will yank that, and I will replace it with a little wee sticker. Now, I will, chances are, not leave these on permanently. I will get actual disc label-y things. Anyway, so another thing I was using with some success was, wherever it went, I got a couple of headband lights. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Ooh. Oh, by the way, I'm not, oh, low battery, oh dear. Oh dear, come on. This phone has been giving me grief. Okay, so what I'm going to do to try and get out of this grief mode, I do believe it's still recording. Okay, I'm going to move it over here. But unfortunately, see what's happening is, with this thing, is, hello, charging cord, is sometimes the screen does not want to let me do things, and I really don't want to stop recording, so now I'm pressing the close thing on the low power mode, but when it goes into the stupid mode, that's probably why you see it shaking, when it goes into the stupid mode, it won't let, the screen doesn't let me do what I want to do. So you know what, maybe I will stop this recording and start again, and pick up, and I don't always do editing well, but I'll do my best.